How to show roll colors next to names on Discord application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can show roll colors next to game names on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, you have to open up Discord application in your mobile device and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to the bottom right, tap on your profile icon that says you. Once you're under your profile, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Under settings, you have to scroll down a bit, and under app settings, there is an option as accessibility, so tap on it. So once you're under the accessibility piece at the top under roll colors, there is an option that says show roll colors next to name. So to show the roll colors next to names on Discord, all you have to do is select the second option. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.